izolo bengibuka umngcwabo kaMnqobi Ndimando noma Mnqobi Gumede angisazi, but umfana lo bekuthiwa beyi-gang leader ye-West, and so bengibuka nje snippets of umngcwabo wakhe, ngifunda ama-comments, and then kungene enye comment ethi le ngane ayizalwa ngiyisigebengu, khona la society failed him, something failed him, something somewhere went wrong, you know. And then this person waphendula wathi inalento yokuthi abantu besifazane bayayidotosa ingane, or abantu besifazane bayahluleka ukukhulisa ingane zabafana, ihamba ivele le yanto. Now angiyazi family structure kaMnqobi ukuthi ime kanjani, kodwa ngibonile emncwabeni kukhuluma uanti wakhe. Now I know for a fact ukuthi angeke ukhuluma umndeni wakababa wakho benganayo relationship, because from what I could tell uma wakhe wakaNdimando baba wakhe wakashes, so kukhuluma angazi noma ngiyaphambanisa kodwa his aunt spoke at his funeral, which means he probably has a relationship nabantu bakababa wakhe, because ngene fenza ukhuluma ngengane yenu ningayazi, so uyaziwa, you know, yabo. Kodwa kuhlalile nje enhlizweni yami ukuthi bafethu uma ningakwazi ukuthi ingane niyithole senihlala nobabili in a structured home, uma seningakwazi ukuthi ingane niyithole nikhona nobabili, ngikhuluma ngo-co-parent, yebo ngiyazi ukuthi kwesinye isikhathi ziyafika izimo abantu bagcine, uma ningakwazi ingane niyithole nikhona ma nobaba, nibe present futhi equally, ngiyakholwa ukuthi mina ziningi izinto ezingalunga. Yabona lento yokuthola ingane endaweni ezingana structure, ngoba uyabona mekuthiwa it takes a village, kusuke iqinisiwe, ngoba ningaba khona uthola ukuthi kwesinye isikhathi nikhona mama nobaba niyayibuka lengane niyayikhulisa, and you guys will miss certain things, certain habits about this child. Mhlawumbe nize nitshele umama amakhelwane uthi hayibo ngibona umnqobi ehamba nabafana bangekho right in yabona, ubona ukuthi ingane idinga zonke izandla ekhona, all hands on deck. And then leli point lokuthi hamba kuvela ukuthi ingane ikhuliswa umama bebodwa ziyashort, that's so true. And I speak this as someone that has a son and raising my son by myself, and his father is not present. It's so overwhelming, and we don't know what to do. Sizama nje lokho okuqhamukayo because we're trying, and iyakhula lengane, and kungconyana mesancane iyakwazi ucommunicate now, but as they grow yabona nje at this age abakhulumi. My son like he'll talk to me about Ebola and stuff, and but because he knows umuntu esifazane ezinye izinto, sengikwi point where I now have to learn sports, I now have to learn things, I now have to keep up to date with hip hop so I can have a conversation with him. Guys, I'm a transfer windows, yonke leyo nto, basketball, NFL. Mina my son is also into American sports, because I'm trying to find a place where I can relate with my son. So but nje yeah, me ukuthi ubaba and unengane umfana mfethu zama. And okubhlungu nakho konke is that as women sometimes we won't say it ukuthi like, yo, but as cope. I mean, yes, financially siyacope nakhona barely, you know, but kwezinye izinto we don't know, we're fluking it. With boys, we're fluking it because we don't know what's happening internally and stuff. And omunye umuntu argument yakhe singathi nabathina nje omama bethu bakwenza, hayi bakwenza omama benu kodwa nabo babefluka ukuthi phela bengatshengisi. Abanye yabona, abanye benu sibona ngani ngoba sesithandana nani, yabona siphila nani, ningabayeni bethu ningamadoda ethu, and siyastrugglisha, kuyabonakala ukuthi uma wakho wenza yedwa you know, but you don't know that. And but yeah, no, indaba kaMnqobi ngithintile because iskola funda kusona, I work with kids in high school, and iskola funda kusona, I remember 5 years ago going to that school to do a career exhibition, and I'm thinking, yes, I probably must have experienced Mnqobi somewhere somehow, because if he was 22 5 years ago, 6 years ago, he was in school, and I'm thinking I probably even experienced this child, and I never even knew ukuthi destiny yakhe, this was awaiting for him. Yo, yabona nje, yeah, no. Guys, if you can have kids in a structured place and nobody present, please, this thing of just having kids, and 6 months he's with ubaba wakhe, 6 months he's with, and I get it. I'm not saying don't co-parents, but like, just ibani intentional about ukuthola abantwana. Ibani nenhloso. Sihlezi kuhloko abelungu kuthiwa naba nje abelungu fanele baze babe ne-diary ne-trust fund. Nakho nje thina ezithi iy'ngane zethu ziyazalwa nje zikhule nje. That shouldn't be the mentality. Hayi, nazi nje ezithi ziyakhula nje, ingane ayidinga imali, ayidinga imali, idinga uthando, nemali ayidinga. Wathi uShamasi, the biggest problem they have as police is the black men. When they look at the common denominator, it is the black men. And we're not judging the black men or vilifying the black men, but we want to know, how can we help? How do we assist as women that are giving birth to black men? How do we stop this cycle? What are we doing wrong? How do we stop another mob being created? What can we do? What must we do? Yeah. And wathi the problem is the black men, but Ushamase wangaya into great detail ukuthi what can we do to help to remedy this. But nje eyami nje ileyo, if ubaba uyazi ukuthi unendodana mfethu, all hands on deck. Ungazulinda uma wakhe akufonele athi babakhe ngicela wazi nje ukuthi ake once kwafika a certain time ungabizi ngena ngoba sometimes we get so overwhelmed as women, and quite frankly we don't know what to do and we are winging it. Guys, please be intentional about having kids. It's not a joke. It's not a joke.